Good afternoon, Cosmos.
Afternoon.
Could you tell us more about your piece? What's the title?
The title is Family Tree.
Family Tree.
Yes.
Yes, well, could you tell us about it?
What I'm trying to portray on this piece is, a family. If there is a family tree, that means they portrait the originality of the family.
Okay.
You see this same humble type of feeling. That is the idea of this piece.
Okay. And why are these faces looking down?
They are humble.
The sign of respect.
The sign of respect.
Humble.
Yes.
Okay, so it,
Yes.
okay. It's a big piece.
Yeah.
Okay. When did you start sculpting it, Tingeni?
Yeah, I started sculpting in 2004, mid-2004.
Tell us your name and the name of the piece. Okay, thank you.
My name is Cosmas Chifamba.
Yes.
And the title of the piece is Eyewitness.
Eyewitness.
Yes.
Yes. To turn it around so that I will have all angles. Ah, that's lovely. So what can you tell us about this piece? Why Eyewitness?
Yeah, usually, in the community there's a lot of crimes that are happening. So there are those who just see. They don't say anything, but they just see. So when they see, maybe any day they will report. So
Okay.
that is the type of behavior that I portray on this sculpture.
Okay, it's a beautiful piece. And the type of stone?
It's a green serpentine.
Tell us green serpentine. What's its title? Okay.
It's lavas.
Lavas.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
In each and every type of animal, there are lovers. Even rabbits, people, even rats, any type of an animal, they are lovers. There's that aspect of love.
Okay. And why two colors, black and white?
Usually the female looks a little bit
sexier.
Sexier, yeah.
Than the male.
Than the male. So this one is the female, this one is the male.
Okay. Yeah. And white for purity.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. What can you tell us about it? What's the title?
The title is Waiting for Orders.
Orders?
Yes.
What kind of orders is she waiting for?
Yeah, in this sculpture, I decided to portray especially a family, whereby a woman usually waits for orders from the husband.
Okay.
And also in companies, you usually say that maybe the manager want to give orders to the workmates. They have to wait in attention for orders.
Okay. That's a nice piece. Nice title. What's the title? Tell us about it.
The title is Major Worries.
Major Worries.
Yes. This piece portrays my life.
Okay.
Because I grew up in a very poor family. So I had some wishes and hopes, but I couldn't do them successfully because I was poor. So those problems became my major worries.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I gave this piece this title.
This piece, what do you call it?
Thank you.
Watchful Rabbit. What can you tell us about it? Could you turn it around as you tell us?
Yes. The Watchful Rabbit, what I'm saying in this piece is, there are those rabbits that are kept in a sanctuary. When they see even any person coming towards the sanctuary, they lean by the fence, watching if maybe the person wants to give them the food. So that is the idea in this piece.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Cosmos.
You're welcome.